There are more calls for greater care on the roads after 6 persons, including 4 children, were hospitalized due to a motor vehicle crash in St. Mary. The crash happened Saturday evening on the Pompano Main Road, close to the intersection with the Coastal Highway. It's understood that the vehicle was heading towards Ocho Rios when the driver tried to overtake a line of traffic. A resident who lives close to the crash site recounted what he saw.
See a silver car, lift up off of the earth, lift up, and when you lift up, you drop, go on next car and drop down in a rut. Pitch out 2 people and 1 baby, me see. And then 2 men run out it and run up the road. And when me come down, me see the 2 men, the other 2 men can't move. So,
up to news time, there was still no information on the condition of the adults or the children who were taken to hospital. Also, it's still not clear what caused the crash, as the police are still investigating. However, residents in the area say speeding is common on that stretch of roadway. They are echoing the call for driving habits to change, not only there, but across the country.
So what we need to do, drive careful on the road. Because the young boy, them are the problem. Them are drive bad. Me drive every day at Kingston. I just come from Kingston. And I pay sight, me I sight them. I pull up on the soft shoulder for them.